welcome to my channel. It's always Nika. And then my mommy has a surprise for me. So, I know what it is. I'm so excited!
Are you ready, Nicole?
Yes, I'm ready.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Oh, is it Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen like this before. Oh, and then this. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, let's open it. Ooh. Wow, I'm just gonna one by one.
What is that?
This is the bun. And this, oh my god. My favorite color. Oh my god, this is my favorite color. And then many different colors. Have so many packages. There are actually 6. And have the book here.
Who is that?
Gus! Oh my gosh, Gus the Dominator. And then we have Tomatina. Yes, it's actually my favorite. It's Tomatina and Gus. And then we have Peppa Pig. I'm just gonna tidy up first so you guys can see. Wow, come on, Panda! You're not a baby, right?
I'm not.
This is Mo, the dinosaur. Or a monster. Oh, this is Alexa. Oh no, Alexa, I'm sorry. Okay, and this is Red Titan. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. Okay, this is our friends. And then this is all the trash. Okay, so can I have it? Okay, so we need water. So I'm gonna just add some water into the bun. So please blow the bun.
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay. Okay, the first thing to add warm water. So I have warm water. Open it up. We have the big one. So a half this water. Add about good. That's about good. And then add one of the jelly. So this is only one packet because the other one is for later if you want to play it again. So we're gonna open it with the scissors. Thank you, mommy. And then you're gonna just open it. And then, oh yeah, it's very important because if you're playing this, you have to open it with an adult with help. Because this is actually certain years, babies cannot do this. So let's go. To pour this, you're gonna put it so little tiny in the whole water. Oh my gosh, they're blue. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Ah, it's raining. Ooh, that's so blue. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And I mix it with my hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You can mix it and wait until 5 minutes.
Yeah, but I'm gonna play. Oh my gosh. Oh.
What it feels like?
It feels so weird.
Is
It's
that your
like-
first time?
Yeah. It's like jelly, and we mash it, and then it's like a pool when it's fermented.
Yeah, after the jelly is set, all your friends, all Ryan's friends want to swim.
Yes.
Oh, looks so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Show me, show me.
It's like all yellow. Oh my. It's the weirdest thing I ever seen in my life. Oh. I'm so happy. It's like a pool. And then, oh my gosh, it's super blue. My favorite color is blue. Like suck it in. It's like no water in here. It's just like all jelly. There's no water in it. Oops. I'm sorry, Ryan. I dropped your friends. Are you okay, friends? Oh yeah, I'm good. It's like slime, but it's not slime. It's like the greasiest thing I ever seen.
I think Ryan's and friends want to swim, want to dip in.
Okay. So, it's all right, done. So,
Oh, you can introduce first. Who's that?
this is Red Titan.
Is that Ryan?
Yes?
Red Titan.
Yeah, that's Ryan's Red Titan.
Okay, another one.
So, okay, enjoy your swim. And then,
Who's
this is
next?
Combo Panda.
Come up, Panda. Let me see your face.
Here we go. Swimming. Bye. And the next one is Gus,
Is that a crocodile or frog?
a crocodile. That's the gummy gator. This is Pet, and it's so cute. It's like a penguin. Yeah, it is a penguin. Oh no. Oops. This is Mo.
Mo, what is that?
Mo, the monster or dinosaur. Oh,
That's a monster?
yes. So let me clean up a little bit. I'm sorry, mommy. This is Alexa.
What is that? Is that a rabbit or what is
A
that?
cat. It's a cat.
Oh, it's a cat.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is so fun. Look at this, it's super jelly. It's like gelatin, but you can't eat it. So, okay. So I'm just gonna flat it a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna flatten down. Just a little bit. So it's nice and neat. A little bit on the side too much. So I'm gonna stick them right over here. And then first, because I like my Titan and Ryan and Peck and Combo. And then Mo. It's a bit short there for Mo. So the apples Gus. And we're done. Okay, Mom, we'll play a game. So you will say the name of these characters. And then when you're right, I'll give you a jempol.
Jempol. Okay.
If you're wrong, I give you a kiss.
Okay.
Who is this?
Red Titan.
Yes, you're right. Who is this? You're not sure.
Pack.
Yes, you're right. And who is this?
Mo.
No.
Mo.
Yes.
Yay!
No, but you're wrong because you say the first moo.
Oh.
So you're wrong.
Okay.
No. So who is this?
Avena.
Not Avena.
Avesa.
No.
Avaleta.
No. Alexa.
Avalexa.
Yes. But you're wrong. With this.
Gus. I know that.
Yes, you right. Who's this?
Combo Panda.
Yeah. These two.
Gus and Alexa. I know that
Good.
now.
This is time for a switch. Ooh, baby brother. Wait, this is my special baby brother.
What is that, you?
You want to play with it? You can play with it. Okay? Just put your hand on it. Okay.
Whoa, what is that, you?
Go.
Okay, wait ya.
Super weird. Are you happy, dear? It's so weird, right? Super weird. Like super weird. It's like super funny.
Nichols, tell Ryu who is that?
So this is actually Gus. Yes, the gummy gator. This is Gus. Hello. This is Gus. This is Mo. This is Mo, yeah. This is Mo. And this is Como Panda. And this is Peck. Actually Peck. And this is Alexa. And this is Red Titan. Do you like it, Mia? So weird, huh? Oh, do you want to take the characters? Oh, you want to buddy. Oh my. Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm gonna do it. Right over in your head. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this so well. Oh my gosh. He's like coughing. A minute, okay? Hello. Oh, wow. You say wow.
Who is that, Ryu?
Wow.
Wow.
A little bit more, okay? A little bit, okay? Okay. mix it up. Okay, so let's mix it up. So, super cool. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh!
Nicole,
Singing.
tell me, what do you like about Ryan?
Because you're the best YouTube ever.
You're the best YouTuber ever?
Yeah.
Why? Why you always watch his video?
Because it's about toys. Because I like toys.
Oh.
Everywhere I go, I search Ryan's toy and watch her
His
videos. If you like Ryan, just buy this at Indonesia or Walmart and Walmart.com. That's right,
Walmart?
and Walmart.com.
But in Indonesia, where do you buy it?
Mhm.
ELC.
If you like Ryan, just buy this. This is very, very, very fun! Fun! Thank you guys for watching me and see you guys next time. Bye! I'm gonna keep playing.